Rinka, no enough, if gaps colon.
Whereas, guys, Ingamai, Cahel and your fad. Let's give them another big bulla boss before they depart to the stage. Carnow, Gallant their fad, my shiv, agus Gallant the shiv, Ekal and Shaw and their Gojafta and Unungal. Good friends of the Celtic Festival, and I'm sure they'll be back again. Oh, it's times like this, I'm just delighted I'm not a judge. Okay, lads. Squeaky bum time? Well, not just yet. Arini Westa, just a quick reminder. Manan, who took the stage first with Biske Bricht agus Antoran with the song Dishtilan. Secondly, we had Ere, Padraig Shoige agus Niall Taig and their band with the song Darchigel entitled Ersire. Wogmudge in Shin, Homajuriha Valley in Shin, G and Vrej, agus Jeshmud la Violin Mayor, agus Joel Hirlanese, agus an Oran Viakushin, the song title there was Son Tellen Releg. Homajin Shin, Riha Valley Gji and Chimri, Jeshmudge in Shin la Oran Inta, Can Galanta der Chigel Kofia Head Wen. Hey. All the way to Scotland then, and I suppose Elan Skihana particularly, we heard Elanich Cool, a Saul Mor Ostig, Lishan Oran Ian Max Baran. And last, as we just heard, but not least, the Rowan Tree, Lishan Oran with the song Tresor. Give them all a big round of applause. And I know and understand there are so many musicians here tonight, and there is nothing more difficult than getting on stage and doing it in a oneer, getting up there cold and trying to perform just one song and then leave the stage. It's normally 3 or 4 songs before you're warmed up and before you can really get stuck into it. So, as Karchev, ta echt gente, it's a huge achievement. Now, as I said earlier on, again, you wish to be a couple of treat going forward, a few treats. We're going to have an interval performance. And I'm just delighted that I can welcome to stage Bree Carr and Dream Bree. If you just want to make your way on stage, guys, and I'll tell the audience a little bit about you. So give them a big round of applause. Got you, Gisha. My Bree. Got you, Nalagum. Come on over here, don't be shy. Bridgin Tashi Ian Tafacha is really, really shy, isn't that right?
Shy. No, Neela had it be. Just
Bridgin Tatasa Glaku Parch and St. Humbertus Panchelcha La Blianti Fada.
Shy. Glach me parch on the revision Shohala Chakanan and kid August Woma and August Bukramayagat Catchlin. Agus tradition bhí Claire ar BBC World for dúda an chud scríbhneoireacht, agus bhí mé gobar go le na poistín seo le ceann le Blue Ribbon, agus an sin Hello Blue Ribbon, agus an sin cúb trí bliain ó cheann bhí me hísa gahar le chunne an Comórtas Náisiúnta an sin le Aaron War. Ach ní raibh mé me canú mé héana, mé bhí mé gcónaí a tuairt mar a dearan de daoine eile, agus mar bhí mé gcónaí ar an piano nó ar an gitar, agus náam sin bhí mé ar an gláise le ga méra ach dabrise. So an sin tar éis sin hála go dúirt Jim Corbett hús Madoran. Bid tá sin amdat ná de CD héanalú disca héana dhéana. So tá rahan tíl Full Circle a mahanna sé iTunes or Spotify agus tá EP nua teachta an bhí seo hagin agus be gohan annual an an be on an art agus ar an mór agus rudí mar sin.
Galanta. Instu, tell our non-Gaelic speakers who will accompany you here on the stage tonight.
Well, tonight, it's like stars in your eyes. Normally, I'm a working mother.
Normally?
Normally. Tonight, I've got Dram Brie. Now, it's not after the alcoholic drink, I can promise you that. Dram means group in Irish, and dream means, obviously, it means dream in English, so I thought it would be a nice name, the Breeze Group. And tonight I've got Yvonne Hennessy and Maria Gallagher and Ben, my son, who are with me down in Carlow. Also from Burton Port, I have Mary Rogers, and from Enniskillen/Arnmore, I have Anne Conahan. Agus, I have Amy Clark from Letterkenny, and then I have a few people from Ballabafay and from Rathmullen from the house, and from, who am I forgetting? I always forget somebody when you start naming. And from Milford.
Well, if you forget, you have a mic over there, so make your way over to the mic. Give Brie a big bowl of Bassarini Wishle. And maybe the rest of Dram Brie will make their way to the stage. Not just yet, okay. I would like to say this about Brie before she begins. Pan-Celtic Festival in Shaw in Yerin. Agus is dóithe tá nós a gunne in Shaw in Yerin. The Irish, I suppose, have a habit, and it's a good habit in a way, to keep going back to the tradition, but it's so important, as we see here tonight, to keep composing, and I suppose that's what Brie continues to do, write new songs, other musicians grab them and run with them. So fair play for that, Brie, and keep up the good work. So agini wishle, curigi warlawa la chele, da Brie, agus Dram Brie. Gramaigad.
Tanta hebrishu and geek scratching nagafin shashama anan egelasi ek char the walla ek melanor hakarish hakariam one char Fosig far ashlingi manam falla iwadi walla snatrais keriga mahelanor ek chark the walla ek melanor ag teart walla go aran mór ag teart walla go aran mór. Good amaiga. Good amaiga. An céad Aranella bheith sé fiche bbliana anois an céad uairis an céad áireann na scéalaige ar scríobhme dar a bainneam sir. Himma cáú dom I lár na hiawigna Is mar angel who ag séidú an gí. Ho even lam the glór in jaall ag canna Asham sha the graim ashlin But mahalas Níl falca ach dordas mohial Tarash mustorin molyana Tarash kursunes im cree
Custard lash na Johanny Gaddich they burha anish tamaisir
Ahwarin bibwi aker mahansa An feature lat ma anlegan seer Kai he may be krogale Doreya Galandich na vagi me do hiu Show the yans of a scale marine treach an air Jeshowi to more creerish lay do his Tori mish the chansnish facer Hawami karstadlesh na jorani gadlich favor hanish
tamaisir seri selfisha selnua seldria selura na hinta anish tamaisir Hawani karstadlesh na jorani gadich vapor hamish tamaisir
Maihu Kayla Agus Owen Boyce Gurmaigat Agus Drambui Anish I know lots of people don't have Irish so I'm going to pick an international song that everybody will recognize and try and help. You might help me with it. Maya Denny Wren translated it to Irish and she asked me to record it. And I'm not sure of the words, but they're in Irish, so if I make a mistake, you won't know. Except for all the Dini Tagéisteachta TG Cahar. And if that happens, it was supposed to happen. So, and I would like to welcome on stage a very special lady, Fiona Galvin, a Spala Buffet, and she's going to do some sign language too. Imagine. is first a halloo. Gan china ifren fluin sperglan asarkyan salihan kinadina bio lagola miarin gan dakhuicha Níl sé Jackar a hallú gan údar buis no maru gan relégium Saulíhan cinna déana Biogo sia gra Ma ashling fos firu Kego Gretchen dimi an Is my heart so much like Kayla La egen slane farndom Mjari sel gan shada Is Jackar a howlord Ganach dau is brahas Gan ein sanch is gort Salihan kina deina Le karam na feina Ashlim fos lefiru Kego Gretchen dimian Yes mar jasmach le Kayla La egen slane farndon Mar jasmach le Kayla La egen slane farndon Good am I again. Agus an Kinjarna, Fiona, Lavershinta, her first time on stage, never mind on cameras. Well done, Fiona, agus Brandwee. And our final song, and we've brought something a little different. You've had the Irish dancing, and you've had the sign language, and you've had all the lovely harmonies in the accordion and the flute, and the whistle. And now we're going to bring on something different. And this time it's Amy, and she's going to come on in a little while, and she's from Milford. And I do hope you enjoy our final song, which we're going to release for Donegal Hospice. We're going to release it in English and in Irish. In English, it's Voice of an Angel. And as Gaeilge is Gohan Aniel and Tanya Mata Air. Agus vi Danya as Poland, ag Janu an engineer who's the studio lesh. Agus Kirsche Hugum a Voice of an Angle. So there we go. We're going to do Voice of an Angle for you. Tamare. Tim Cratch's Crangle Chan, cad for core a ra. Bain the faculty bristia, scristia Suez. Ag tam she thur she trave the ne ma horas crua. Is kai tu ve kroga duis. Vi tu gå ni her ma hivsha. In iron fallinch is an fiat. Is tad o credit dar the arms. Tan the Lord the Faskins and our King. Can you do lay good and I tor my is that just lash and go egar gassa is fade your god of is canlen anja sankor be more leak be more cara my hollis in sandardas be you mishnu le dohes is le not can you do soon trina Kayla, Fiona, agus Shauna a bhí ag Janu and Rira. Shauna, Fiona, agus Kayla. Shauna was doing all the background work, so she deserves a bow as well. Guramila Mayaga.
Gehelin fad brí agus dram brí gujira galanta agus brisúbag intention. Tama Janu vi yall ar in gilir. Lovely interval break there. I think we all needed that to take stock. So give them a big round of applause. My shiv galanta inta jazz. Well, in the yellow motion, anyone else like that? No. These are all just Anyone a wee bit nervous? No? No one? The musicians backstage are freaking out. Couple of notes, a few notes before we move on. Moorhuel, the parade tomorrow, 2 o'clock, be there. And the traditional dress is always a huge part of that, but I don't have to tell you that. Fasta agini by bigan mulle aranyin shahanish. We're going to take a few moments. We're going to set up a screen here behind me, so we're going to have to just wait a second or two for that as well. Another announcement, I suppose, in regards tonight and the rest of the festival. I'm sure no one's ready to go to bed after this, especially not the Welsh. Club Na Féile, or the Festival Club, it's being arranged tonight. Musicians from Manning and Carnow will be performing there, and that's in the Mount Errigal Hotel. It's not too far from here. You could actually walk it. I'm sure you're already familiar with Letterkenny at this stage. That's the Festival Club. And if you have your ticket for here, you'll also get in there free of charge later on. And of course, one of the highlights of the festival, of the Pan-Celtic Festival, is, isn't this class, isn't it? Is the Curimhall na Gorna mar Virginia, or the Festival of the Choirs, and that's here tomorrow night. So mark that one down, make sure, and don't miss that one. Mar dúirtma an scalan a olwu in seo Mochúil, ach an chud is einti an chud specialte don ihe a vis a yenu in a shugun agus shishin and votal, or the voting. I will be calling on each of our judges in turn to cast their votes for each song. Nish seches gemei co-score on a nocht. Gleichamuj maltar, njaus blea, at has a locht fechene in shaw, ach chance nach mei shin de ye. So I'll be calling on each judge to give their vote. And remember, they will take into account the lyrics, the music, and also the band's presentation. The judges will be able to choose from 12 marks, 10 marks, 8 marks, 6 marks, and 5 marks. Dúirt men sin cheanna féinné in Gaelic, dar go dééis is waller TG Care Ponkai, the Sulis and Gush of Liver Lin or Fad. Ach, if there is a co-score, if two come out with the same score here, we have an independent judge in the audience who has already made their decision. Their decision is in this envelope, which I could open right now, but I choose not to do so. Hopefully we won't have to go near that envelope tonight. Ashilim goal a couple of clip again. We have some short clips, I believe, just to remind you, a quick reminder of all the acts that took to the stage tonight. First of all, again, just to recap for you, Briske Bricht as Mannen with Da Skillen. Every dawn in the Asian, we stayed in Ireland, I suppose, with Patrick Shoye agus Neil Teig, Lishan Oran Sire. Wog Mujere in Shin Gajian Vritan, agus Violaine Joel in Shin Ugun, le Kinder Chidgel Son Chillen Relig. Gajian Chimri, all the way to Wales then, ladies and gentlemen, and we heard Kofio Head Vin, Arish Tasulisum Gwalanoriath Gamasere. Non-trasne in Shinga Elan Skihana, Holomuj Elanich Kuil as Sawilmore Ostig, Le Ian Mock Sparan. Agus Jeru and Group Jerna, the last group that took the stage, Carnow, the Rowan Tree, and the song they recited for us earlier on, of course, was Tresor. But I think we're ready to go now to a quick recap of all acts that took to the stage earlier. So enjoy.
Oh, talking shove,
de joie gan as an garden genta. Ruan es an mais on bitre an douar a gasteret. Den zo va bruchet a brinset, compagnonez an druiset. Mais pas on as an e garden te as or zolen an ken.
Gas cola. Agus tresarinka no ina fif gas cola. Agus tresarinka no ina fif gas cola. Agus tresarinka no ina fif gas cola. Tresor, 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 tresor. Agus tresarinka no ina fif gas cola.
Kinse, Torgi Bullabas Moore, Difa Gallier, Shagajera Doikreche, Moishev Each Gente Egabelay. Rudbig Ibre, a few thanks before we get to the adjudication. Boile mo wiachas a rinewishta before the craziness begins. Boile mo wiachas a choranul, dar noyed on the group of your father. I'd like to especially thank all the groups who took to the stage here tonight who make this sort of thing happen. I'd also like to thank Patricia McCabe, agus Oran Aten Shaw and Sigirianan, job inta janta a gavanocht, agus much inta buya as were godju agus were dakiacht galeer. Corlia Condai Gunangal, dar noye hajoklin a wakasawil da amacht a reachtal gan shiv, agus much inta buyach a shin dar noye. Agus nehenij fad in Shaw. Wale a chodji roy bi, agus it should a hog takiacht, agus oriacht doing faster. Am teractus dar noye, kai much buya has special to ohort an teractus, no a shield a yenen and homertus shaw a reactal. A very special thank you as well to Kyle McSivney, Paddy Doherty, Christina O'Donnell, and Mwerin Yari as Corlia Condai Gunangal. Garage Omweni faster hog takiacht inta duhen ni beluige, and co-ardi har emachti shin Louise ni Gavage o eractus na Gaelige at hamon na Gummertus agus e codulei cleana ni Gvranir a chalni gyd 100,000 maigad wumsig special dar in hinshin hog shiv amtakiach du ni sloige. Buia has fuilei a rini wish le faste la pader o flaharte o TG Keher agus a bogu rei to much go more fwy chamin ag foreign teligale at in shaw a nocht agus in the fishan shaw agus a kurama omland a harle in shaw sruhan a nocht. I'd like to especially thank the media partners Teligale and TG Keher, of course, Enda Boner, Billy Keady, Christina O'Connor, John Barr, Mayu John, Angus Cullinan, Paul Noble, Ray De Bruyne, agus Aoife Keady as Teligale as Sihir Eligilier. Give them all, please, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. Let the craziness begin. I'm going to do a quick recap. We'll go to all the judges. And of course, the judges, for example, Alaba can't vote for their own country. Brez can't vote for their own country. Cymru, I think you understand. And they can vote, they can give the act 12 marks, 10 marks, 8 marks, 6 marks, or 5 marks. Shivrig Ray, all ready to go? And Claire Ray will begin. We're going in alphabetical order, ladies and gentlemen, which is A. But Angus, as you know, you won't be voting for your own country. So we move across to Julien. Julien, dá wark, stole the ball. We have to be very careful with these sort of things, you know. Varian. O gummalishkel and Carter Fadagat and Cart. One moment, please, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me, aren't I the dopey one? Then would you vote da alba? I am definitely the dopey one. Varian, explain this.
Okay. We will call on the Alba judge to give his votes for all of the other nations. So, Angus Leatherhall, if you're ready to give your vote, please, for Brej. Cade the vote for Brej, your vote for Brej. Angus is giving 10 votes. 10 votes to Brej. If you'd like to hold your paddle and show the audience so that they don't think I'm making it up as I go along. Okay, Carcalor. Vermeil Margaret Angus. Now, your vote for Cymru, please. Shea Vota, 6 votes for Cymru. Now, Angus, will you turn your paddle? Verified by everyone? Okay. Louise Mocher and Tuna, Mark and the Ustacha Gal Shees. Shees Shachas Trasna. Okay. Agus an chéad wark eile le hell Angus for Ada. Yeah. Agus an chéad wark eile why Angus for Curno. And let the hell Angus your vote for Monaghan. That's 5 votes for Monaghan. Turn your paddle. 5 votes for Monaghan. I'm going to hand you back to our fabulous presenter, Donald McGrory.
Good morning. Thank you. So we're going to cross, I understand, and we're sticking with the one judge. Okay, Carculor. So again, Funchishon, Brej Gem Mark, and Chimri Shea Mark, Ere Art Mark, Kernow, Dishin Mark, Yewark Yeg, Agus Manan in Shin Quig Wark. Magalor, to much funny Bogu Array in Ish Hig Julien, Agus the Raymore Hegum Julien to much Giri do Wark do Alaba. So you're marked for Alaba. Thank you, Julien. Turn around, show the audience. Gemark do Alaba. Boginshin Alaba in Ish Array. Buckamudlin. Darnoye ni Fagerlish, he can't vote for his own region. Morshin do Chimri for Wales, the Hall Julien. What is your score? Good good. Show the audience. Darnieshari Sawalim on the Wakashiv Shin Kuig Wark a Hugsha da Chimri. Fanart Latse Inish Julien Ledahal. Toward the work do the area for Ireland, please. 8 marks, ladies and gentlemen. Bogulin Gacarnau, Julien, your decision. Please show the audience. Carnau, Rewark, Yeog, Agus and Kin Jerna, Julien. Manan le de hall dorre agus dar noye Shewark da Manan Morshin igen Funchisho Alaba le Gemark Brej le Gemark Chimri in sin le Mark Yeg. Ere in Sadarna Hetch in second place le Shejeg. Carnow Adasa Omlan ahead with 24 and Manin le Hineg. Julien Grikid Mila Maigad. Buckamunchere in a Strasne Hoig Dylan as a Chimri. All ready, Dylan? Ready for action? No mistakes now. There'll be no mistakes here tonight. Right? Okay, my who Dylan, Lidahal, do work, your mark, please, for Alba. She work. 6 marks, thank you. Abogulin, Dylan Lidahal, do work, your mark, please, for Brej. Quick work. Of course, at this stage, Dylan, you can't vote for your own country. So I'm going to ask you to slide across there to Eire, who at this point are in joint second place, but this will change it. What is your vote for Eire, please? Dylan. Gurmaigad. Yeah, work, yeah. Tightens things up. Eire and Shin, ig fiha hakt. Dylan Lidahal, Bug Trasna, Anish, moving across. Carnow, what is your mark? Show the audience, please. Gurmaigad, Jay. Triaha Agusikar in the lead. And finally, Dylan, please, your mark for Manin. Gurmaigad, 8 mark. 3 of our judges have cast their votes. Egan Funchishaw at this point, Alba 16, Brej 15, and Chimri Hineag. What do our Welsh contingent think of that? Not happy. And they provided Tom Jones and everything, and they're still. It's just so hard to please some people. Abogu Trasna Eire ag Fia Hocht. In Sadarna Hetch, the local boys are in second place with 28. Carnow, 34, still very tight up there. And then Manin Ignijeg. Buckamudlin, Tomish Fachanyo Gal, Geherin Inish, at their Neue Deirdre, Ni Fager Latze, Mark Achahu. Of course, Deirdre cannot vote for Ireland, so this should change things up somewhat. So, ik heb de waar Deirdre, Lidahal, do vote, do Alabun. Gurmaigad, Chishpandan Look Fechane. Dulworig Deirdre and Shin, a tradition the Halabna, Hugshi Dishin Mark, Difa, 12 marks. A Bogu Ray, because a Bogu Trasna, Inish Deirdre, Lidahal, Gubrez, Kujain Mark of it into Difa, Kuig Wark, because the Hal, Chishpandan Look Fechane. A Bogulin Trasna, Deirdre. And Chimri, could you ever to Difa? Shewark, then Chimri. And again, of course, Deirdre, Neil Cadog, it's a vote how the Erin can't vote for Ireland. So moving on to Carnow, the Hall do vote. Art Mark, Chishpandan Loch Fechane, the Hall. David Sido, 42. Manin, the vote Yerna Lidahal. Kujé Hog to Difa, Gerdra, Jay, Chishpandan Loch Fechane, Jamark. Gerdra Grikade, Mila Mahigat. Morshin, Angus, Julien, Dylan, Agus Deirdre, Te, Agud Scorny, Agud Markana, Tucka, again Funchishaw. So more Chish of Hain, as you can see yourselves, Alba, 28. Brej 20, Chimri 17, Eire Fia Hocht in the lead. At this point, of course it can change. Carnow, the Daid Sado, Agus Manin, the Fia Agus an Lee. Bocamuj Inish, Carnow, Agus Dar Neue, Ni Fager, Lenar Maltar, Jamie. Jamie can't vote here for his own region. So this, I'm sure, will have a huge impact on the vote. So Jamie, first of all, please, Lidahal, do vote, your vote for Alba. Gurmaigad, Jamark, 10 marks, show the audience. Bogulin Darnoya Inish, Jamie Le de Hall, Turdu de Vote de Vrej for Brej. Your vote, please. Thank you. 8, show the audience. Good a Kate Mila Mayagat. Jamie, moving on, heading across here now to Anchimri. Anchimri, close neighbours. What is your mark? Good a Mayagat. Show the audience. This is definitely not like the Eurovision. You just can't depend on the neighbours in this one. There seems to be none of that going on here. Jamie, gyda Mila Mayagat, Bolly Fair. Okay, Jamie, please, your vote, da work, that Erin you the hall for Ireland. Gyda Mayagat, show the audience. Da 12, gyda Mayagat, Jamie. And finally, as you can't vote for your own region, moving across to Ilan Manning, what is your vote? Shay, gyda Kate Mila Mayagat, show the audience, please. Shay Wark, the Ilan Manning. It's definitely still in the mix here, ladies and gentlemen. I'll let you all take stock. Alba, ag triacha agus a hacht. Ag fiche agus a hacht, 28, Brej. And Chimri, Tishadin Shin ag fiche do, 22, Wales. Eire, at this point in second place with 40. On their own, ahead by 2, Carnow. Agus in Shin Tiu Law in Shin Manning Litriaha agus a Kuig. Muradurch me agini wishle, just to remind you quickly, Mate core score again. If we have a draw at the end of this, we have an independent adjudicator who's been in the audience all night, and I have his decision in my back pocket. I hope I won't have to go there, but just to let you know, that's what will happen if we have a draw. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, it's an outright winner we're going for here. Of course, you'll see second and third place, but the prize, 1,000, 10,000, 20,000, 1,500 euro will go to the act that comes in first place. So, Ganchilio Mulya, Rahamuch Huggetsa, Margaret, agus le the hall I cheduar, first of all, da work, your mark for Alba. Shay Wark, 6 marks, show the audience. Margaret le the hall, da work, da Brej. Chishpan don loch fergane, show the audience please, 5. Darnoye Margaret can't vote for her own region. Mushin Buckamujere. Do vote le the hall. Do Cymru. 8. Chishpan don loch fergane. Does anyone want to take 5 on this? Good time for a break? Stick on the kettle. Okay, Margaret, the tension's palpable. Nyelogut a re vote la chau. 2 votes to cast. So please, in your own time, your mark for Ireland. Show the audience. I think I know what's happened here, Margaret. Finally, your last vote, please, for Carnow. Show the audience. Oh, you're Sewa. Okay, the scores then. What's the scores, George Doors? Alba Arini Westle, Daihid Sikar. Alba, give them a big round of applause. My Shiv, Gahelid, Jobbing, Dajandagu. Brej, Chriaha, agus the Chri, Jobbinta, Buelaba, Solwar, my Shiv. Last, but definitely not least, and Chimri, give yourselves a big Buelabas. I know you'll still have a party tonight. I know you'll still have a party tonight. Moving over to Monaghan, 35. Give them a big Buelabas. I've just been told from the wings that in the history of the Pan-Celtic Festival, this has never happened. We've never had to go to this envelope in my back pocket. Ach Ere, Kigadal on 52, Carnow on 52. Give them both a big round of applause. Okay. I think I've lost the envelope. I think I've seriously lost the envelope. I haven't. Where in the hall? And you're going to hear do. Where in the hall?
This is a very exciting time. I'm going to ask you to hold this while I open the sealed envelope. I'm very nervous and not at all biased. Okay. The independent adjudicator has put the performances in order of preference. Agus sa chéadát, an chéadát a thug sé go Alba, an dara hát go éire. Tá an vótáil idir Curno agus éire, tá éire níos airde aige ná mar atá Curno. So ciallaíonn sin go bhfuil an bua ag Curno. Oh, go leisceil an tá bua ag éire, go leisceil. God, tá sé seo tógálach. The air is very, very light up here. Gurimil Maggie, so Donal, I'm going to ask you to confirm. Should they entower the V ag an independent adjudicator? Alba Erdús, in Shin Éire, in Shin Manan, in Shin Cymru, in Shin an Bhritáin, agus ag deire ar fad Curno. So tá an bua, tá ásarm a ógur sgúil bua ag éire.
Go hell in your fad, dá critche. While we're doing what you mean, we've never in the history of the Pan-Celtic Festival had to go to the independent adjudicator. And to recap, his decisions were, in order of preference, Alba number 1, Éire number 2, and Wannon number 3, Chimri number 4, and Brittany, na Brej iver Cuig, agus Carnow iver Shé. Therefore, at number 2, as it was a draw, our independent adjudicator has placed them higher than Carnow. So our winners are, as Maureen said, Aidan. Give them a big round of applause. Oh yes, sir, what? Never in my lifetime. Gallant ar fad. Bhfuilm foiilte inis a chur rih coppla ar stéitse ar an airdaran tá uachtar an idirnáisiúnta Pan-Celtic as Monaghan Claire Kilgallen. Please put your hands together for Claire Kilgallen, ladies and gentlemen. Agus brunna she an trophy. She will present the trophy. Thank you, Claire. Agus caithirla na córne idirnáisiúnta Maureen Nic Donagha chuna an check a bhronu. Maureen, come on down here with that important check of €1,500. So, bhailim curú a ríist, a hort on the hairni, have the ríist a ma stage. Ladies and gentlemen, once more, could you please welcome the Irish act back on stage. Why should lads? Agus an check a bhronú in sin ag Moirín, agus an trófií dar nóie bronte in sin fásta ag Claire. Galanta, cógairte has? Could you have how did it make you feel?
Surprised.
Surprised? I think it was a big surprise, as I said, in the history of the Pan-Celtic Festival. Your Harlow show, or whatever. I thought you delighted.
Oh, Tama, over the moon, my dear.
Over the moon, Morigera. In Shodu, Tashiv Shigujira chart, Tashiv Lakela La Fade, Tashiv Smuichunish Kinal, Emacht Harsele, Nis Fudge or Wale, Bishon the Hodjugul Ahantus Morshaw, Tokadiv.
Bashan Huna war, Kinte. Whether he mentioned a horse Lathagus, Basha Wadi says, could a buscle in the ringy Caribbean.
Galante. Could you more in a shiv and Tarriga the Haho?
Kamada rings at the Ikasham Petrol.
Will Shiv leg range and lads, all ready to go? My Shiv. Arini Wester. One last time. Carigi will Awala Yella. The Era. I guess that's Sulusum come on you Shiv Salt. I hope you all enjoy, ladies and gentlemen, the club festival tonight, the parade tomorrow, and back here again tomorrow night for the concert of choirs. Good a kid Milan Wayagiv. Wyrwanyala, Era, Slan agus Banacht.
Good meeting, Maggie. Just saw Dusty Bwalam Cordius Alaha Leshna Group Yelavin show. 1,000 thanks and congratulations to everyone from Kernow, Manon, Nabrat na Bega, and Alba, Agus Breton. So, Bullabus more Mito Belug, Agus Colonna we Goblin show, good meeting, Maggie. Ja, technisch en energie. Gimmoch lom golua, sire diro, what the game, what the game. Neil wem machsibnes, Shichan shall kunish, Dedaleshon lane, Dedaleshon lane. Meine Dini on Gadas, Nila Makira Wobach Shancer, Seal Gunstro, Seal Gunstro. Rest and get still, restaurant, Chalgarona, Sonore, is May Fos Bio, is May Fos Bio. Damak badam gus klu, shol am lenordu, o takin sha mochlano gas mehin. Nog maar te dansen hier een trouw, go fiets go in vinger, zie de wat again. Happy en ascal Ni lenach fallen Strut gus fol Gemach les ra Gemach les ra Rieder Turks us Fries en Grieg Sheer go Berlin Gusson Haig Ater beachsha Ater beachsha Ach nische fekjem skans war hiev chale war Ardens is bed Njart amad gussi ring Idir mees na krik wad wim Is min shalom hein Min shalom hein And tall hol me in ruach A tom kote leshen vuach Us gonna get the rum in Adam day Be cast alone Din troke it a rum Smer seed wa the game Maggie, Maggie, the most professional is Maggie Hain. Maggie.
Corrick Shoge, Niall Teig, Butcherin, Hammertus, the Oran, Nuachama, a Ganele Pankelcha, Revila, Agus a Hawkchig, Moishev lads, fair play, Courageous on the Maltary, Job Inta Foster, Cheffa Mujarash and Shaw Rishiv, a Ganele Kiana, Eliacha Cannon, a Fihan Leachig. Enjoy the rest of the festival. Good night and God bless.